Hey, welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to be doing today is restuffing my envelopes. So I stopped by the bank and I switched out a lot of the bills. And so what I'm going to be doing is restuffing them and just adding a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I did jot down what my original balance was so that I know how much I'm adding to it. Now this is not including a paycheck or my tax refund or the stimulus check. I haven't gotten that. Let me know what you guys did with yours. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with savings. And with savings, my original balance was 110. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Okay, so I had 110, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just gonna put a $100 bill. And so now I still have 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch this out. So I'm gonna put the 5 here. So let me move these then. 50, 20, 10, 5, and a 1. And then as I see anything else that I need to take out, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So again, 110, so just 110. Okay, so then that's good. I'm gonna place that one back in now for savings. I've been so busy with getting ready to go back to school. I had to set up my classroom, so yeah. So I have 90 for emergency. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull these out: 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So I'm gonna take this out. Let's see. 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, and the reason that I don't have more $50 bills is when I went to the bank, I told them what I needed, and they jotted it down, but then they didn't give me the correct amount of bills. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bill chart just so that the next time I go to the bank I have it written on there, and that way they have it. Okay, for car upkeep, my original balance was $35. So let's see, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I'm going to go ahead and replace 10 and put a $10 bill, just to make it a little bit easier. That way it's not so stuffed. So 20, 25, 30. Oh, 20, 30, 35. All right, so I'm gonna put my 35 back into my car upkeep. Okay, and I did listen to what somebody posted in the comments to have all of the bills facing in the same direction. So that's exactly what I did. I had them all face the same direction. All right, so for house, my original balance is 35. Let's see, I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch these bills out. And I'm gonna put, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna switch these out for 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Wait, what is this one? House. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the 5 and then I'm gonna take the 1s. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's see, 5, 10, oh, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm gonna put the 1s down and then the 5 down. And so now I need 20. Okay, so 20, 30, 35. So now I have my 35 back in there. And I'm gonna put this back in for house. Okay, and so for unexpected, I have 50. Okay, and as you can tell, it's empty, so I'm gonna put the $50 bill in there. So it's a 50 and that's covered. I sometimes forget what the bills look like because I don't typically carry cash. It's always just credit card, debit card. So it's kind of funny to see how they have changed throughout the years. I still remember when I was a kid and the $5 bill, it was like the image was so big, and now it's even bigger. Okay, let's see. Extra is $53. I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the 5s and the 10. No, what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna come back to that one and see if I can pull a 20 from somewhere else. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in. No, I'm gonna actually leave these on the side, and I'm gonna come back to extra. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on to business. Business has 26. So let's see, 20, 25, 26. So I'm just gonna leave that as is. Oops, turn that over. Okay, and then I'm gonna put these back in since I'm not adding anything to this one. Okay, so then this one, I always, all the ones that are unlabeled, I typically have $20 in them just to have extra cash. So I use this one and I need to replace this one. So when I get paid, I will put another $20 bill in there. Okay, so Christmas gifts. Christmas gifts, I have $32. Let's see. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that in there. Okay, and then for birthday, I have 25. So let's see, 20, 25, yep, 25. So my balance for my birthday is $700. I do want to get a new camera. My birthday is in October, so I still have plenty of time to save up that money. Okay, let me know how you guys are doing with your cash envelopes. How are your sinking funds coming along? I know that after I started this, I was actually able to save more than I originally thought, just because I was always shopping online. And so at the end of the month, I'm like, where did all my money go? And now that I've been keeping track of it and actually withdrawing the money as it hits my account once all my bills have been paid, I have been able to save a pretty decent amount for starting it last month. So okay, credit cards, I have 60. So 20, 40, 50, 60. All right, so that's 60. Keep that in there. Okay, taxes. All right, so I have 48 for taxes, and for taxes, I am going to add $2 to that, and that's gonna leave me with the new balance of 50. So let's see, right now I have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these 48, and I'm just gonna take a $10 bill. So now I have 20, 40, 50. All right, so I'm gonna write that down too. What is today? The 22nd. Deposit plus 2, new balance is 50. I just love the fact that everything keeps increasing with savings. So let's see, student loan. How are you guys doing with your student loans for those of you that have them? I know that I have been stashing away, just trying to pay off as much as I can, even though my interest rate is pretty low, just because I did get a federal loan when I was getting my bachelor's degree. And so with when I get my master's, I'm just gonna save up for that one so I can try and pay cash and not get another student loan. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. All right, so I'm gonna switch 5 of these and put a $5 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 up there, and put these ones here. Okay, so let's see, 20, 25, 26. All right, so now I have 26 for student loan. Oh, I'm gonna be so happy when I finally pay them off. That's one less debt that I'll have to worry about. All right, so for road trip had $550. Whew, all right, let's see. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, look at the difference between these two. Like when she first gave them to me at first, I'm like, wait, they've changed that much? It's been a while since I've actually seen a $100 bill, so it's kind of funny to see all the changes. All right, so it's 500, now 50. Woo, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So I'm gonna have to stop by the bank again and switch this out to get more $50 bills. Okay, and let me make sure that they're all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 15. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 550. All right, so it's staying in there, 550 road trip. Do you guys have any plans for spring break? My school has not started spring break yet. We are scheduled to start it next week. I know, however, several schools have already started. How are you guys feeling about going back to school if you haven't gone back to school? And if you have, how are you guys dealing with that? I know that I have been teaching online all year, and man, oh man, I am ready to go back in person. All right, so spending 28, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that 28 there. I'm gonna go back to the bank probably later on this week and get more bills just so I can switch these out too. Okay, road trip. This one has 535. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $35. Oh my gosh, what an idiot. Okay, let's put this away right here. It's been a long week, guys, and it's only Tuesday. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 35. 535. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put that back in. 535 road trip. Okay, so now let's go back to this one. All right, 53. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to go ahead and just deposit this $100 bill into the extra, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna leave that as. All right, so 53. Let me do my math. 53. All right, so I'm going to be depositing 47 into extra. Let's put extra. Where the hell is extra? All right, so that leaves me with the new balance of 100 for extra. Where the hell's extra? There it goes, extra. Man, oh man. All right, So extra now has 100. Woo, all right. All right, let's see. Did I deposit these? 110. Yes, I did. 110. Yep. Is there anything else I missed? No. All right. Let's see. What do I have left now? They're facing the same direction. No, these are not. Okay. Yep. All right, let's see, what do we have here? 5, 10, 15, 20. So that goes into the extra, the blank one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's the second extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have $6 left. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the, what the hell is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So we're putting in 20 here. Okay, and then 20 into the second blank envelope. Okay, because I know with this weather change, I need coffee in the morning. Can't deal with it being nice and warm. Oops, let me put this back in the front. Can't deal with it being nice and warm one day and then freezing the next. But you know, that's the Midwest for you. All right, we're good with this one. Yes, we are. Ooh, this needs to get replaced. Yep, I will be going to the bank for that one. 26. Okay, so we're good with these. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit this into my savings. So plus 11. So leaves me with 1, 2, 1, right? Yep, 21. All right. Woo, 121. 121 savings. There it goes. All right, so 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 121 savings. So I think what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing another savings challenge just to come up with different categories that I have been wanting to do. And I'm probably going to be doing that during my spring break just to make it easy on myself. Because all this week I have to get my classroom ready and I come home tired. And then I have to respond to students online. So yeah, I'm looking forward to my spring break. All right, thank you so much for watching. That was it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Everything will be linked down below. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys. Bye.